There are three parts to communication. The first one is rapport, the second is calibrating, and the third one is communication styles. Rapport is when you immediately connect with the person or you don't connect at all, and calibrating is when you are able to assess the verbal and the non-verbal cues and you're able to communicate very well with that person. The other part is your communication style, which is the most important because people have different communication styles and there is a possibility that you're not being able to understand their communication styles, and that is what leads to misunderstanding and conflicts in many relationships. So if you would like to understand communication styles, calibrating and rapport building, do connect at TI The Image Academy. I am Dr. Vandita Singh. I am a counseling psychologist, image consultant, trainer, and a public influencer.